Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing CrowdStreet, an online platform for investing in commercial real estate. Check the description for links to CrowdStreet. Designed for accredited investors, CrowdStreet offers direct investment in U.S. real estate projects. It's perfect for diversifying your portfolio with income-producing assets, minus the property management headaches. CrowdStreet focuses on commercial properties like office buildings, multifamily units, industrial complexes, and retail spaces. Its direct investment model lets you choose specific projects, giving you control and transparency. Each project profile details the business plan, financials, and expected returns, helping you assess risk and reward. CrowdStreet's marketplace offers diverse deals nationwide, including equity and debt investments. Minimums typically range from $25,000 to $50,000, targeting serious investors. CrowdStreet's due diligence includes thorough background checks and project vetting, adding a layer of security. Remember, real estate investing involves risk. These projects have longer time horizons, typically 3 to 7 years, with limited liquidity until completion or sale. CrowdStreet is ideal for accredited investors seeking commercial real estate diversification. It provides a transparent, hands-on approach for those comfortable with the risks and seeking potentially substantial returns. Explore opportunities via the links below.